In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Supabase storage. Quick Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head over to supabase.com. This is where you'll access your dashboard and all of your project tools. Make sure you're using a modern browser so the interface loads quickly and everything looks as expected. Next, log into your Supabase account. You can sign in with email and password or a supported single sign-on provider. Once you're in, you'll land on the Supabase dashboard. From the homepage, choose the organization that contains the project you want to work with. If you're part of multiple organizations, double-check the name so you're opening the right workspace. This ensures you see the correct projects and their associated storage. Open your existing project. This takes you into the project overview where you typically manage databases, authentication, and storage. For today, we'll focus solely on storage since we're downloading files. Inside the project, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Storage. This section is dedicated to your files and folders, known in Supabase as buckets. Think of buckets as top-level folders that keep your assets organized and secure. In the storage area, go to Manage and select Files. If you haven't created a bucket yet, you'll need at least one to hold your files. Create a bucket and give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. If you already have buckets, simply click the one that contains the file you want to download. Keep in mind that buckets can be public or private, which affects who can access the files. If you can see the file in the dashboard, you have permission to download it from here. Inside your chosen bucket, you'll see a list of files and folders. Find the specific file you want, then click the three-dot menu, the small ellipsis icon next to that file. From the drop-down, select Download. Your browser will immediately start downloading the file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it will either save straight to your default Downloads folder or ask you where to save it. If the file is large, give it a moment to complete. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a file from Supabase storage. If the download doesn't start, try refreshing the page and confirming you're in the correct bucket. Also check that you selected the three-dot menu next to the exact file, not the folder. When you're finished, you can repeat the same process for any other file in your project.